name is Tyler Lance. I've been doing the program for about 7 weeks now, I believe. We just landed our first wholesale deal, just closed on it last Friday. And I definitely would not have been able to do that without Dave and Mike's help, especially that quickly, not on my own at least. So I went into this program wholeheartedly believing that I was not going to be a wholesaler. I would not do any wholesaling. I thought it was grimy. I didn't like the system. I didn't like the way it worked. And I also didn't know a whole lot about it, so that's part of my ignorance. But I went into this fully believing I was just going to focus on the buy and holds and focus on the rental side, doing the Brrrr Method and everything. I will say I looked into a lot of different coaching programs, especially around this area. There's a lot of options, and surprisingly enough, they were the cheapest. And these guys have been with me every step of the way, asking if I need anything, if I'm struggling with anything, what am I doing well at, what am I not doing well at, and they're there to answer any question 24/7. They will not beat around the bush. I mean, they will be upfront with you and be realistic with you, and they're there to help, call, text, whatever, throughout every aspect of the process. So I appreciate all the help, Dave and Mike. Can't recommend you guys enough. Thanks.